Here is our parts car. Hopefully that bed is good. In many cases, since it's fiberglass, it melts, but I'm hoping this thing's gonna be alright. Because we paid a pretty penny for this thing. I mean, after all the fees, shipping, everything included, yeah. But these beds alone, I think a little over $3,000 anywhere you can find them. As you can see, all the inside's good. We'll have to get some of these moldings, but overall it's good. There is a few dents. There's a dent right there. And a dent right here. But not much parts left in this one. Unless somebody needs a fender. I have a fender. I do have a hood, and it's already vented. I've got to get rid of all this trash here out as well. I mean, we got a filter if somebody needs it. There's some other stuff in here. Who knows, maybe we'll get rich, find a ring, find some gold to pay off this parts truck for whatever's left of it. All right, let's go get that forklift and start moving this thing inside. here's the build. 23 Toyota Tacoma V6 4x4. I think 6.1 foot bed, the longest bed, but not the big. So this is like the longest setup you can get, besides having a bigger cabin, smaller bed. But getting ready to get this one going. I'm sure you already seen where we got the parts. Nice and clean. All airbags intact, which is always a bonus. It's SR5 trim level. But these SR5s, I mean, they're pretty cool. We gotta do a cab corner on this. Not major, but I mean, it is a nice impact right there. So we gotta pull all this out. I mean, the door is really close to closing. Like you can see, it's not too bad. But got this whole section from the dealer. The bed, as you can see, is right there. All right, got this sucker on the lift. Just wanted to show you how bad the frame damage actually is. You see that? Look at that. That's just all mangled. Look at this rear. It just broke. Look at these leaf springs. Look at this side. And the thing is, here's another buckle. But the thing is, after such a hard smack, this thing starts up, drives, all the brakes work, everything works. I'm sure if you were stranded, got hit and stranded, you can make it home on this thing. I mean, it doesn't look this bad whenever like it's not in the air, but when you look at it through the, I mean, the frame obviously is not much. This is not a heavy truck because they have it boxed in to middle of the truck, and then the rest is just a C channel. But still, you get hit this hard and you can drive home. I mean, these things are worth their money, huh? And this thing's probably gonna last for years. So see that? This side, look at that. Crazy. But no problem for us. Definitely a fun project. Not a lot of work, but I mean, maybe it is a lot of work. I don't know. A Tacoma rear-ended. This will be a first for me, so I don't see anything difficult on it, but we'll see how it turns out, and I guess you guys will see as well if we can get this thing done or not. But I mean, the truck starts up low mileage. I think it's in the low 30s or 20s even. Don't remember, but picked it up here locally at our yard. Back on this truck after the New Year's. Frame was swapped, and now I'm working on this side. If you watched my last video, that's my frame machine at the moment. I mean, there's not much to it. We just pull that skin out. All the structural components behind are all perfect. There's really no dents. There was one little dent right there, but it's all skin, so we already pulled that out. That dent's gone. So the door closes, the reveals are perfect. So what we're gonna do now is get this thing cut out and fit the other piece that's right there on the cart. So we'll get it fitted in and hopefully get this thing welded. So let's get to it. We got her, guys. We got her. Frame swapped, cap corner done. This rear section fine-tuned, fixed. Just a little bit of body filler in this area just to make it a little prettier, and she's gonna be beautiful. So next step is body filler, primer. So I think I'm gonna wrap up this video on this note. I think they're getting a little too long. And yeah, I just use the sledgehammer to fix most of this. It's fairly simple. But hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, smash that thumbs up for me. And I hope next video you guys will see will be me getting this thing ready for paint. I know a lot of you have been asking about eBay videos. I think I'll make those down the road. I still got about 7 vehicles I gotta get done. That's already on schedule, and I think I gotta fit in 2 of mine personal vehicles, the Sprinter that you've seen in the last video and the Ram truck. I love the 4th gens. I've tried the 5th. I never liked it. It's too fancy, and then the technology for the computers, and I mean, it's just too much. So I've got back into the 4th gen, so I need to get that video out as well, wrap it up. But as you'll see in this video, this one was fairly badly damaged, but the cab was fine, engine bay, I mean literally everything, even the axle survived. The driveline I think has a light vibration, so I'm gonna take it off and take it to the alignment shop, get that sorted out. We also got some wiring that needs to be repaired. I think, yeah, there's 2 plugs smashed, so we'll get that repaired. And I don't know, the weather's kind of becoming a little too cold, so I don't know if I'll paint next week or not. If not, I mean, I'm gonna prime it anyways. I keep the shop at 65, and I do have one of those electric heaters right there, and I got one right there, so I can bring this up to 75 in the shop just to cure that primer for a few days before we sand it down and shoot some. If this is like, it looks great, but it's actually a metallic. I don't know if you'll see it on camera or not, but definitely much better quality than the Honda. I rebuilt that Honda. I mean, this one's nice and clear. Very little orange peel. So hopefully it'll be fun. Do have a few dents on the roof. Very few right there. So we're gonna learn some PDR. Shouldn't be too difficult. All right, guys. That's a wrap for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was fun for you to watch. I know it's been a while since I've been back. I'm gonna try this year, post some more videos. If it turns out all right and the YouTube channel grows, I mean, when it don't grow, it don't excite me. So I'm gonna pump it out this year. Hopefully you guys see some more content, more builds, and then business in general, and just things I do. I've been really busy these last 2 years, I think. Well, 3 years since I moved here, 2 years since I haven't been posting anything. So appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for everybody that supports me, writes comments, likes the videos, and shares them. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.